Hey, this is Duck, y'all, with Upscale Lawn Care, one of Monroe's finest. We're about to do this yard here today. As you can see, we got a lot of top growth of winter grass. We're going to cut it down to a nice even level. We're going to hedge it. We're going to weed eat. We're going to make it look good, because in about a week we have to come back and we're going to do a pine straw job. And I'll tell you, if y'all stay tuned, you're going to see something amazing. Watch it. ULC Monroe. That's my man Duck, y'all. Duck got on a mask, y'all. And so guys, this is one of those lawns that the owner really stresses that he wants it cut low. And so, you know, I've said it before, if the owner's asking for it to be cut low, hey, cut it low, because you know how we like to cut, 275 and 3 inches. So we've got this one on 2 inches. We're gonna cut it low for him. All right. Don't ever do it. And again, we mowed this one at 2 inches. 2 inches. That's what the owner wants. All right, we moving on. All right, guys, take a look at this one right here, right behind me. That's a new property. We just got that one last week. That's in my subdivision. Take a look. That's my neighbor over there mowing hills. Yeah. All right, we're headed to the next. We had 25 on the books. This is number 21, and it's 6:30, but take a look. Well, let me change that. It's 6:45. But take a look. Let's get in it there, guys. Ducks blowing it off. All right, guys. So, guys, today it's around 11 o'clock. We've got these two we're working on now right across the street. Ducks already across the street mowing. I had to do some bed work over here. And it's 11 o'clock. And so far we've got 6 done. And we've got 25 on the book because it rained all day yesterday and we didn't get anything done. Take a look. That's duck getting that one done. Heck, he's almost done with that one. And then he'll be heading over here. I just got through edging this one. Didn't get any footage of that, but he's mowing. And we got this one over here. I'm going to start mowing here in a bit. I've got a plant she wants to put out. Well, she's got 2. I'm going to plant those and then I'm going to be mowing. All right. Guys, we're done. Here's the one across the street. And then turn around, here's the other one, right across the street. And you've seen these before, but you have to keep them looking good. There it is, guys.